an idea. We have some pre-travel checklists. So here we are asking questions like, have I compiled a mini first aid kit? Have I checked my visa requirements for my destination? Am I aware of the local currency and exchange rate? And what's the climate at the destination of my choice? And things like this. Have I chosen my special meal on a plane? Like these kind of things that we sometimes might be important to us, sometimes not, but important to maybe think about. So we just put it together for our travelers to think about beforehand, so that they can travel lighter mentally. Traveling light tips as well, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna share it with you. Some ideas for the packing list, but I'm gonna skip it as well for now. Here we have the basic first aid kit as well that we share with a lot of different things that might be used that prove to be useful. Important phone numbers such as our travel insurance, of course, the number to the local embassy in case something happens, our emergency contact, the phone of our first night accommodation, so that we can get in touch with them at the train station or airport or wherever we are arriving to. Also getting a eSIM card, which might be very useful. For example, I've been using Iralo. It's been pretty good. I'm even using it now in US and it's worked pretty well. A phone to a local hospital, emergencies, etc., etc.